Dream Team, I hope that this Friday the 13th has been one of the best Friday the 13th that you've ever had. I would like to thank all of you for your hard work on behalf of Mr. Walker and I. We were able to speak to the YMLA Advisory Board into giving every Dream Team member a crispy Benjamin Franklin $100 bill. And this is unheard of in public schools. And I do want to do something very special to show our appreciation. So thank you for accepting the gift, even though it was not that hard for many of you. But I would like for everyone to write a handwritten, thoughtful thank you note that I can upload into our system and share with them on our next advisory board meeting. I will send out an email with details about how that will be turned into our main office, but I do want you to go ahead and think about the kind words that you will say to thank them for their tremendous generosity. I mean, that was a $6,000 check that they wrote in order to give every staff member a $100 bill. So I'm very thankful for that. And I'd ask you to go ahead and start writing your thank you notes, and I will let you know when we can get those turned in so I can provide those back to the board. Thank you. I want you to have a wonderful weekend and just enjoy life. And Mr. Williams, special shout out to you for teaching me about Screencast-O-Matic. Y'all have a great weekend. One dream, one team.